Let's stand. In John 4:23-24 it says, Yet time is coming and has now come when the true worshipper will worship the Father in spirit and in truth, for they are the kind of worshipper that Father seeks. May isang quotation or isang book akong nabasa, sabi niya, or there's a book, there is a Christian author, sabi daw niya, there are 3 kinds of people that go to church. So let's seek ourselves kung saan tayo sa tatlong to. First, some people go to church to see and to be seen. Mga tao daw pupunta sa church para makakita at para makita. Number 2, some go there to sleep and nod. Pupunta sa church para matulog at then magtamo-tamo ng ulo niya kung nagustuhan nila yung preaching. But few go there to worship God. Is that true or not? So sinabi sa verse John 4:23-24, God is not seeking worshiper who have their minds elsewhere or simply going through the motion. He is seeking worshiper who will worship Him in spirit and in truth. Second, worship is intentional. One cannot worship God accidentally. It must be an intended act. So gusto ng Diyos na lahat na nag-worship sa Kanya o nagsamba sa Kanya, yung puso at isip ay focus or nakatuon sa Kanya. Hindi tayo nagsisimba dahil linggo or nakaugalian na natin gawin ito.